Watch me do my makeup and add a cute nose ring. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so we're gonna go in this with this foundation right here. Let's get it. Clearly, my neck is darker than the rest of my body, but we're gonna fix that. And here is the fun part. So we're gonna just blend all that out because we're gonna cancel out that darkness, right? You're just gonna blend it all out. You're gonna blend it out until it dries, and then we're gonna set it. Foundation on a brush. Let's go ahead and cover up. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh yeah, we're gonna set. Now we're gonna go with our concealer. And our contour stick. Okay, so right now we're gonna go ahead and blend out this contour. We've carved out our cheekbones and blended it. We're gonna blend all the way around the forehead or the forehead. Blend, blend, blend. And then we're going to go ahead and blend out the other side of our cheeks. And we're just gonna blend, blend, blend all the way until that line is gone. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and set the under eye. And I am using the Absolute New York yellow powder. Okay, so you want to set under the eye really, really good so that your under eye don't crease up. And I just double set because mine do crease a lot, so I make sure I set it up really good. And just blend it out, make sure it's seamless. And then we're going in with our powder contour, and this powder contour is actually by Sharon. And it's just give us that bronzy look. And yeah, we're basically finishing it up at this point. Okay, so we're gonna put this. Okay, so this is my heart nose ring, and we're just gonna go ahead and put in the L bend part, and yeah, voila. And this is the finishing result.